वालेकुम
अस्सलाम
अस्सलाम। अच्छा, अस्सलाम वालेकुम student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. MashaAllah. Now, today we are going to start geometry. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to start geometry today, right? So you have to do exercise 12A in geometry CP, right? एक मिनट, यशवीन is joining. इरम अदिल, who is इरम अदिल? किसी के उससे किया है? इरम अदिल, who is आदिल? आदिल अच्छा, okay, you prepare your title page first, then you have to note down the definition, right? Now first open page number 389 of your book, all of you. Hamna is also coming. Okay, now definition. Give heading of definition. First you are watching the board properly? All of you watching board properly?
Yes, teacher. Teacher, this chapter name is chapter 12.
Chapter 12, name of the chapter is area and volume of similar figure and solid shapes, right? Area and volume of similar figure. Okay, now you are looking the board properly. Now first definition is area. In this chapter we have to find out the area and volume of similar figure. What are similar figure? Those figure which are having same shape but different in size are called similar figure, right? First thing is area. What is area? The space occupied. Copy down. I am dictating, or you can copy down from board also. By a figure or shape is called its area. It is denoted by A. And its unit is centimeter square. meter square or millimeter square. Copy down it. Or you can, I am taking its definition. The space occupied by a figure or shape is called its area. It is denoted by A, and it is its unit is, or it is measured in centimeter square, meter square or centimeter square, right? Millimeter is the smallest unit of length, right?
टीचर टाइटल पेज किस चीज का बनाना है?
What you are saying? Yes, who is asking? Sorry,
Teacher, I can't see the board properly.
yes, now you can see. Now you can see. Okay, I am dictating the space occupied by a figure or shape. It's called
Let's
its
do blank.
area. Yes, it's called its area. It is denoted by capital A, and it is, its unit is millimeter square, centimeter square or meter square, right? Done. Now next heading, give similar figure or similar shapes. What are similar figure? Number 2.
टीचर
Yes.
बहुत है.
अच्छा, see definition number 2. Similar figure or shapes. Now what are similar figure? The figure which have same shape, but different in size, are called similar figures. Figures or shapes, right? Now formula of finding area of two similar figure. Now formula, give heading of formula of finding the area of similar shapes. It is the ratio of, may I write here? You can see the board properly. यहाँ लिख दूँ?
No teacher, it is blurred.
It is blurred.
Teacher is too much blurred.
तो चलें, मैं I am dictating. Write down. It is the ratio of area.
First definition बार-बार dictate करा रही है.
First definition, area. The definition of area, the space occupied by a figure or shape is called its area. It is denoted by capital A. Its unit is centimeter square, meter square or millimeter square, right? Anything which cover the space on any table, so that is called its area. ठीक है, कोई भी चीज जिसका जो स्पेस कवर कर रही हो, तो that is called its area, and area it is denoted by capital A, and it is measured in, these are the units of area: millimeter square, meter square or centimeter square. Number 2 definition is similar figure. What are similar figure or shape? Basically your chapter depends on similar figure, right? What are similar figure? Those figure which have same shape, but different in size are called similar figures. शेप तो सेम है, एक फिगर है स्क्वायर की, दूसरी भी स्क्वायर की, बट दे हैव डिफरेंट इन साइज. यानी एक स्क्वायर है आपका 4 सेंटीमीटर, सेकेंड फिगर ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. तो दे आर डिफरेंट इन साइजेस, शेप इज सेम बट डिफरेंट इन साइजेस. तो such figures are called similar figures, right? Now we have to find out the area. Basically we are going to find out area or volume of similar shapes, right? So first we are going to find out in exercise 12a area of similar shapes. Yes, ask.
ये जो फॉर्मूला है ये सिमिलर.
अब नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज फार्मूला नंबर 3. ये सिमिलर शेप का ही फार्मूला है, ठीक है. नंबर 3 लिखे. इट इज अ रेशो ऑफ, राइट, इट इज अ रेशो ऑफ टू सिमिलर फिगर्स. रेशो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू similar figures is equal to the square of the square. Now I am writing on upper side. I am going to erase duster. Thank you.
सेकंड वाली रेज मत करेंगे.
Square of the ratio of their corresponding length. It is, now I am dictating again formula of similar shape of figure. It is a ratio of area of two similar figure is equal to the square of the length, square of the ratio of their corresponding length, right? Now write the formula. यहाँ लिखो मैं. Note down the formula of finding area. A1 upon A2 ratio of area ये है ना, ratio of area of two similar figures. Ratio means divide. Ratio of area of two similar figures. A1 divided by A2 is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding length. Corresponding length means यहाँ पर भी रेशो बनाना है, यानी डिवाइड करना है. A1 है तो यहाँ पर लेंथ हो जाएगी L1, डिनोमिनेटर में A2 है तो दूसरी साइड पे ये L2 हो जाएगी, L2, और ये होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगी. दैट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ फाइंडिंग द एरिया ऑफ. अगर हम एक फिगर का फर्स्ट फिगर का एरिया मालूम कर रहे हैं तो A1 लिखेंगे ऊपर, और अगर सेकंड फिगर का मालूम कर रहे हैं तो A2 ऊपर लिखेंगे. तो हम अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट चेंज कर रहे हैं फार्मूला. नाउ सेकंड फार्मूला. or if we have to find out the area of second figure, तो ये it will be reciprocal.
कंटिन्यू है.
जी ये सब कंटिन्यू है, नीचे से ऊपर ये कंटिन्यू है. ठीक है. डेफिनेशन नंबर 3, दिस इज द कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ डेफिनेशन नंबर 3, राइट. अगर इफ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ फर्स्ट फिगर तो वी विल यूज दैट फार्मूला. A1 ऊपर आएगा. ठीक है. A1 डिवाइडेड बाय A2 विच इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ द लेंथ, रेशियो ऑफ लेंथ, इनकी लेंथ का रेशियो कर लेंगे, यानी L1 अपॉन L2 होल स्क्वायर. यो ठीक है. अगर हमें एरिया ऑफ फिगर नंबर 2 मालूम करना है तो इट विल बी रेसिप्रोकल. तो इसको रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा A2 अपॉन A1. तो ये भी रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, राइट हैंड साइड भी रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगी. तो ये होगी क्योंकि कॉरिस्पॉन्डिंग लेंथ है. उन्होंने कहा है ना रेशियो ऑफ देयर कॉरिस्पॉन्डिंग लेंथ. तो अगर यहाँ A2 है तो यहाँ पर L2 होगा, यहाँ L1 है तो नीचे L1 होगा, A1 है तो नीचे L1 होगा और होल स्क्वायर. नोट डाउन दीज टू फार्मूलाज. देन वी विल स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 12A. 12A का आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कॉपी डाउन करना है. यू कॉपी डाउन दिस थिंग. यहाँ तक ये कंप्लीट हो गया आपका डेफिनेशन नंबर 3, फार्मूला ऑफ फाइंडिंग द एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर शेप. अगर फर्स्ट फिगर का मालूम करना है तो A1 अपॉन A2 विच इज इक्वल टू होल स्क्वायर ऑफ द रेशियो ऑफ L1 अपॉन L2. अगर A2 मालूम कर रहे हैं यानी एरिया ऑफ सेकंड फिगर और सेकंड शेप, तो A2 अपॉन A1 रेसिप्रोकल कर देना, रेसिप्रोकल देम, एंड विच इज इक्वल टू द corresponding length, ratio of corresponding length, L2 upon L1 whole square. These are very simple formulas which will be used in exercise 12A. Complete it and then copy down question number 1 of page number 393. Page number 393. यहाँ 393 लिख रही हूँ अब. This exercise is on 393. Now exercise 12A. Come to the next page. Okay. Mention date. Exercise number 12A. CP geometry. Right. You are working in geometry CP. Now who is joining? Mustafa. Late joining. Okay. Shall I erase this thing? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now students copy down question number 1 from book. Because I cannot write on board, I have short space on board. तो find the unknown area. I am reading on page number 393, basic level, question number 1. Find the unknown area of each of the following pairs of similar figures. You have basically in this exercise figures, right? So we have pairs of similar figures. So I am drawing the figure here. You copy down, then I will erase the whole thing. Huh? Yes, you have to also. Without figure you cannot solve, because in figure values are giving. See on page number 393. See here. ये you can see here. ये देखें exercise 12 है. See if you can see. Question number 1. Find the unknown area of the following similar shapes. Right? For that अब मैं यहाँ फिगर ड्रॉ करूँ तो नजर नहीं आएगी. Shall I draw the figure on this side?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now I am drawing figure here. यहाँ मैं लाइन ड्रॉ कर देती हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पार्ट ए की फिगर मैं ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ यहाँ पर. ठीक है. फिगर आर ऑफ दिस टाइप. राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, simple triangle figures are here of having different shapes. One figure is like this. Area A1. Area of whole figure is 64 centimeter square. 64 centimeter square. This is the area of figure number 1 denoted by figure 1 को area 1 से denote किया है A1. ठीक है. Its length is 8 centimeter. Length of figure number 1 is 8 centimeter. Now we have another figure which have different in size like this. Yes, you have to draw also, right? Without any measurement, but with the help of ruler and pencil, right? A2. Here you have to find out A2. A2 के आगे इन्होंने क्वेश्चन मार्क दिया हुआ है. क्वेश्चन मार्क is given and its length is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. We have similar shape. This is triangle. This is also triangle, but different in sizes because area 1 is 64 and area 2 is unknown. The length of A1 figure 1 is 8 centimeter. Length of figure 2 is 2 centimeter. They have different in size, but shape is same. That's why they are called similar shapes of similar figure. You have to find out the area of unknown फिगर. अननोन फिगर कौन सी है? A2. इसका आपने एरिया मालूम करना है. A2. तो विच फार्मूला विल बी यूज? इन विच वी हैव टू फार्मूलाज. दिस इज ए फार्मूला ऑफ A1 अपॉन A2. दिस इज फार्मूला ऑफ A2 अपॉन A1. तो जिसका अननोन है वो न्यूमरेटर में होना चाहिए. ये याद रखें बस. A2 ये वाला फार्मूला यूज करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मेक द डेटा. आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज दिस थिंग. First you draw the figure. After that you give heading of data. In data we write given and not giving things. Given things are first data. ये है figure A. Data of figure A. Right? You are watching the board properly? Students, tell me. Okay. Yes. Now A1 first figure number 1. Figure number 1 में what things are giving? A1 right here. A1 यहाँ पर in small figure put 1 in bottom. ठीक है. denoted by in small figure. A1 is equal to 64 centimeter square. Right? Remember this thing. Area always, unit of area is always in square. तो we have centimeter square. Right? Now A1 हो गया and length is also given. तो इसकी length को how we will denote it by its length? L1. Length is denoted by L. तो L its length is L1 is 8 centimeter. Right? 8 centimeter. Now figure number 2. In figure number 2 what thing is given? What is this? 2 centimeters is what? It's length. तो figure 2 है तो it is denoted by L2. L2 is 2 centimeter and its area 2. Area 2, what's the value of area 2? This is unknown. So that's why put question mark there. Right? So we have in this way 3 values are given and 4th value is unknown, that is area. Finding area of second figure. Right? Now give heading of solution. Write the formula of finding area 2. What's the formula? Just now you have written. Yes, Muhammad Ali or Mustafa, Hamna. What is the formula of
A2 upon A1 is equal to L2 upon L.
You can adjust the formula yourself. देखें, you are going to find out A2 keep and it is the ratio of two areas. So A2 upon A1 is equal to corresponding length. A2 है तो that will be L2 upon L1 whole square. This is the formula, right? अगर आपने यहाँ L1 upon L2 लिख किया तो और आपने सारी पूरी कैलकुलेशन कर ली तो that will be wrong. So corresponding length लिखती है, A2 है तो L2 है, नीचे if you have in denominator A1 तो on other side that will be L1, right? Now put the values right here, put the values, put the given values. Now given values are where I solve. No, I have very short space, right? So you can do vertically, you have space whole page. Now put the values. A2 is unknown, write A2 like this. In denominator what should be written? In denominator A1 है, we have A1 in denominator, so A1 will be replaced by its given value. What should be the Kissa, you tell? Value of A1. What is the value of A1?
64 centimeters.
It's 64 centimeters square with unit, right? And on other side we have ratio square of the ratio of their corresponding lengths. तो L2 आ जाएगा. What is L2? L2 is 2 centimeter, right? And in denominator what should be in denominator?
8 centimeters.
8 centimeter whole square like this. Put square outside the bracket, right? Now A2 upon 64 centimeter square. See how I am solving. Rewrite it. उसी में मैंने नहीं किया इसलिए कि फिर आपका कंजस्टेड हो जाता, फिर मिक्स हो जाती है सब वैल्यू. सेंटीमीटर टू सेंटीमीटर कैंसिल, राइट? Same unit with same unit, cancellation of the same unit, and also it is also cancelling. 2 on the 2, 2 4 the 8, वो आप कर लीजिएगा. तो A2 upon 64 centimeter square is equal to 1 upon 4 whole square. 1 upon 4 whole square. Now square of this करें. Square of this A2 upon 64 centimeter square. If you are looking properly, तो square of 1 upon 44, 1 upon 4 will be 1 upon 16. 1 square of 1 always equal to 1 and square of 4 16. Now you have to find out A2. So keep A2 on left hand side and 64 is dividing. On other side it will multiply. तो ये यहाँ पर U multiply होगा. 64 centimeter square multiply by 1 upon 16. अब do the cancellation by 16. You can do directly by cancel by 16 or by 2. 2 से करेंगे तो आपको again and again you will divide. तो direct by using formula, if they are directly cancelled then cancel it. तो you will get area of A2 64 क्या होगा 64. How many times it will cancel? Amna, Yusra, you tell. 64, 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 16 4s are, find out 16 4s are what? Or you can divide by 8 also. 16, I think.
1020.
Huh? 16, 9,
1020.
नहीं, not 1000.
16 4s are 64.
Yes, exactly. 16 4s are 64. So 4 centimeter square is the area of A2. This is your answer. It's so easy, right? You can cancel it by 2 or cancel it by 8 or cancel it by 4. You have so many method of simplifying. It's up to you what you are following. Which thing
I
is
can-
easy or short? So you can cancel it, right? So you can do directly cancel by 16. 16 4s are 64. So A2 is 4 centimeter square. This is the answer of part A, right? This is the way to find out the area of unknown, right? अगर A1 मालूम करना है, if you have to find out A1, तो formula will be reciprocal, right? So first you make data. After drawing the figure, make data like this. After that write the formula. See which thing is unknown. A2 है, A2 वाला formula रखेंगे, A2 upon A1. If A1 is unknown, A1 upon A2 formula will be used. After writing formula, put the values like this. If they are cancelling, अभी इसको वहाँ पर shift नहीं करना है. First you simplified, reduce it. ठीक है? Centimeter to centimeter cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. You are getting 1 upon 4 whole square. Whole square means square it. Find the square of it. Expand it. So you will get 1 upon 16. Now you have to replace 64 from here because you have to find out A2. Yet it is dividing, on other side it will multiply, or do the cross cancellation. After that you will get the answer like this, right?
दीदी जहाँ पे A2 होगा वहाँ पे L2
वहां पर यहाँ पर L2 लिखेंगे, ठीक है? अगर L1 A1 होगा तो यहाँ पर L1 अपॉन L2 होगा, right? Any question? Because time is short. And now find out B, part B. जल्दी से quickly copy down because we have short time now. 5 minutes are left. Quickly मैं आपको फार्मूला और वैल्यूज पुट कर दूंगी, उसके बाद आप कर लीजिएगा. पार्ट बी नाउ कॉपी डाउन फिगर ऑफ पार्ट बी. मे आई इरेज कर दूं मैं? तो फिगर तो कर लूं ना, मैं ये फिगर कर लेती हूँ. W you copy down side by side up. You copy down na. Part B figure of same page 393 से you draw figure number question 1 part B. I am drawing the figure like this. It is like this. See, one figure is like this. With the help of ruler or pencil, and its length is given 0.4 meter. Yeah, here meter is given. So area will be find out in meter square. A1 is unknown here in this question, right? Figure 1, A1 is unknown. Now in figure number 2, like these are similar figure, both have the same shape but different in sizes, right? Like this. ये एक बड़ी फिगर बना लें, एक छोटी. ये its length is 0.2 meter, right? Now A2 is given 0.6. A2 is given 0.6 meter square. These are the figures of similar shapes. Now quickly write down data of part B. जल्दी जल्दी डाटा बनाए. keeping the same format is throughout is same throughout the exercise, only formula will be changed. See here, A1 लिख दें, from figure number 1 से कर लें पहले आप. A1 is unknown, right? Quickly, A1 is unknown, इसका क्या हो जाएगा? What is this? Length 1, L1 is 0.4 meter. Now come to figure number 2. A2 is what? 0.6 meter square, and L2 its length is 0.2 meter. ये written. Now write down, give heading of solution and write the formula. वही same, keeping the same format. Give heading of solution, ये लिख लीजिएगा. Formula, write the formula now. Formula will be changed. जल्दी बताएं formula क्या change होगा. Only 2 minutes are left. Formula बताएं. We have to find out A1. See here formula. A1 सब खत्म हो रहा है. A1 upon A2. तो हेयर कॉरिस्पॉन्डिंग लेंथ आएंगी, क्या आएगी यहाँ पर? L1 अपॉन L2 होल स्क्वायर. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज, वो आप खुद लिख लीजिएगा स्टेटमेंट. आई एम डायरेक्टली पुटिंग द वैल्यूज. A1, व्हाट इज A1 इज अननोन. जो अननोन होता है उसे कीप ऑन इन न्यूमरेटर. नाउ A2 वैल्यू इज, A2 विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय इट्स गिवन वैल्यू, दैट इज 0.6 मीटर स्क्वायर. Now L1 quickly, L1 was the value 0.4 meter upon, and L2 is 0.2 meter whole square. Now I am going to explain its calculation. बस calculation आपको बतानी है, उसके बाद आप खुद see. A1 upon 0.6. अभी आपको ऐसे वहां पर शिफ्ट नहीं करना है, ठीक है. फर्स्ट यू रिड्यूस द वैल्यू, जल्दी से रिड्यूस कर दें इसकी वैल्यू. मीटर टू मीटर कैंसिल. अच्छा, ये आपके पास 0.4 अपॉन 0.2 होल स्क्वायर. सी हियर हाजरा, सी पॉइंट से पॉइंट कैंसिल हो गया, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट कैंसिल, बिकॉज आफ्टर डेसिमल वी हैव 1 यूनिट 1 डिजिट एंड ऑल्सो इन डिनोमिनेटर. तो व्हाट लेफ्ट? 4 अपॉन 2. 4 अपॉन 2 को आप कैंसिल करें जल्दी से. A1 अपॉन 0.6 मीटर स्क्वायर. 2 नहीं, 2 1 द 2, 2 2 द 4, 2 अपॉन 1 जस्ट राइट 2 होल स्क्वायर. इसका होल स्क्वायर कर दें 4 बस, उसको वहां पर ले जाएं. अब यू विल गेट द आंसर इजीली. A1 is equal to 0.6 meter square multiply by 4. अब इसको you will multiply it, you will get the answer, right? That will be your answer, meter square. When you multiply 0.6 with 4, you will get the answer. So in this way, A, B, C and D. Put tick mark on C and D. कौन कौन से करने हैं आपने? A, B, C and D of question number 1. Do tick mark, all of you. Time is short.